Hey guys, so I recently just got the Kylie Jenner weather set and I just want to show it off because it was pretty hard to get. I had to wait, so I'm just going to show it off. This is my first time opening everything, so I'm just going to show it to you guys. So here's a cute little card from Kylie. If you guys want to read it, just pause the video. And this is going to be our highlighter set. And look how cute it is. You can see that it has like velvet on the clouds. It's really cute. And look at those colors. They're awesome. I'm going to actually swatch them for you guys just so you can see like what they look like. So that one's really light. You can't really see it very well. And that will be this one. That's going to be the second one. Let me get the names for you guys. So the first one was Cloud 9. The second one, Stratus. Oh, that one's pretty, if you can see that. That one will be Daydream. And our last one in this kit. Can't see that one very well either. But that one is Golden Hour. It is a really cute set so far. I'm definitely liking it. Let's show you our next thing. Let me just put this back in the package. Okay. Ooh, our next thing is the Eye of the Storm palette. This one is way cute. You can already see it's really cute. You can kind of see what it's based off of, yellow and blues. Ooh, and check how pretty those are. They are so pretty. I don't want to swatch all of these because there's a lot of colors with the two palettes. We're already getting up there in time, so I'm just going to show you those ones. And this is the Calm Before the Storm. It is also an eyeshadow palette that we have. Ooh, and those ones are so pretty as well. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, subscribe to this channel. These are the glitter eyes. Let me get them open. And it's the Twinkle and Superstar glitter eyes. If you guys can see, it's really cute. Sorry guys, this package isn't wanting to open for me. So as soon as I get it out, I'll show you. It's really, really cute. So here's the two colors. And this one's the Twinkle. It's kind of like a golden glitter. And this one is our Superstar. It's kind of like a creamy, like, I want to say, I can't even tell you what color that is. It's kind of like a creamish color. And here is some more glitter eyes. As you can see, we have the blue and the brownish like golds as well. And the blue is super pretty. Check it out. It's like a bluish purple. And this one's like more of a coppery color. And it's really pretty as well. And here are our lipsticks that we have. This is a Kylie lipstick. Woo woo. And this one is Nightfall. Sorry, these are just not wanting to open for me, so we're just gonna try our hardest without like breaking everything. Let's try a different one. Maybe I should have opened these a little bit before because they are not wanting to open. Okay, and here is our first one. It's the outside. Ooh, and it's so pretty, look. I want to say that is more, I know it's a matte color when on because I've already seen a few people do it. It's a matte, probably like a lighter, like pinkish. And here's our black that it comes with. It honestly looks super good with the colors because in a minute I'll show you. It comes with a yellow eyeliner, so I'm pretty psyched about that. And this color is Cosmic. And that's kind of like a darker like, I want to go with like a mix between like light brown and like pinkish. Like tan, I guess. We'll go with that. And here are our last few things. This will be our eyeliner. So, what I was talking about earlier, I'm super excited about this one. Everything's not wanting to come out. The packaging's super good. Well, that is not wanting to come out, so let me try this thing. And this is their highlighter. I heard it was awesome. I've heard by a lot of people. I will actually swatch a few things. If you guys want, in the comments, just say, hey, Taylor, will you swatch this? And I will swatch it for you in a different video because I just don't want to go away over time. So it gets boring to people. So if you want it swatched, I definitely will make a new video and swatch all of the colors, have it all ready for you guys to look at. And this is our flash gloss. Look how freaking cute. It is so cute. It's like a really sparkly pink color. It's so cute. I'm so excited to use it. And last but not least, the yellow eyeliner. If it wants to come out, it's probably not gonna want to, but look at this, guys. Yellow eyeliner, and that's gonna be all for today. If you guys want me to swatch any of the colors just so you can see if you want to get it, let me know, and leave a like and comment what I need to improve on and everything in the comments. So let me know. Thanks, guys.